Hello everybody. Today I'm going to introduce you to a brand new Teezily feature which will enable you to edit your campaigns that are sponsored on Amazon. To start, you have to access your dashboard and click on this small icon. On this page, you'll have the opportunity to edit all the content that is on your Amazon page, like the title, description, keywords, etc. You will add all the information here and then you click on Save. It will be automatically updated. You can also apply it to all of your campaigns at the same time. You click here on Amazon Bulk Edit and you choose the geographic region you want: Germany, France, UK, Italy or the United States. You will get a file with all your campaigns which you can download and open. And here we are. You can edit all the campaigns on this file. And then you click on Save. Now you go back to Teezily and you upload your edited file by simply clicking on Upload File, and it's going to be automatically uploaded onto your campaigns. And it's all done. Thank you for watching. Until next time.